Merry Christmas! Finally guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas Christmas Day.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Look at all the presents we got.
Oh yes.
Look at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 presents.
Go! How are you guys doing? It's finally Christmas and no more counting down to Christmas Day. If today is your first time of joining me, you're very much welcome. My name is Temidayo Ojieyan and this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. And today's Vlogmas is going to be about our morning routine. The kids actually woke me up and I feel a bit still tired, too eager to open their gifts, and I gave them some rules. So what are the rules?
So we cleaned the sitting room. Then my mommy makes a dinner.
Breakfast.
Breakfast, then we open a gift.
Oh yeah. So we all brushed our teeth already, and the rule is they have to clean the sitting room while I make breakfast. We all have breakfast, then they can open the Christmas gifts. Okay guys, so we're gonna start now with cleaning the house, making breakfast, then we'll eat. So you're just gonna be seeing all that this morning. And we are all wishing you guys a Merry Christmas. I hope your Christmas is actually going to be merry and very sweet for you guys and your family. And let's go right into today's Christmas Vlogmas. I'm so excited guys.
Christmases of old, where the snow would fall and the air was crisp and cold, where we heard of angels up on high while building Frosty the Snowman until late outside. Christmases of old, when all was right and the candlelight would glow, where we used to play in the wintry wonderland, and we'd hear carols sung from Rudolph's marching band.
It's December again, I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year?
So I just open the gift.
It went by so fast, I barely could see it. Now I'm calling all angels high, if you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again.
Once this, mommy, you're looking down. And once the joker is in the middle. You want you to make quickly, each and every different. Really big bite this video. This last one. Wait, do you want to take some presents for tomorrow? I'll say
Eat fruit. You want banana? You have to eat fruit. You want veggies with it?
always not Done. Just like salad, the green stuff of salad.
No, it's fine. Eat it.
That's open my present. Mommy, can you get my green cup? I have to wait until everybody's finished eating, you silly.
I'll just make it.
Mommy, give me my water, please. And see why you didn't want it to like close it up because there's too much egg.
Can I put egg? Yeah, for you.
No,
No.
it's so juicy. It's so juicy. I want to eat it right now. That's so juicy.
Can I have one more
I
egg for
really
you?
want.
Okay.
Mm.
So we're putting it into the microwave.
But only if you not burn my teeth.
Count 1 to 10. I didn't plug it. Count 1 to 10.
900.
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 1. Blast off. Is that a cake? Look at this.
Yes, you gotta eat it.
Oh, that came out of nowhere. Hoping not hard.
I make it for you.
Mommy. Mmm.
Yummy?
Another food.
Yes, it's very yummy.
What's inside the sandwich? Egg, Mario, butter. Mario?
Mayonnaise.
Mario is inside the sandwich. How am I gonna play
Mario?
Mario Run? If
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come
I got a turbo one. We can play games. We can show us what time it is. Yes. Or like we can exercise it and so much things. I can't I got a Chromebook. And I even got an iPad. I'm so happy. I broke my old one, so I want to broke this one. And I got a Mario game. And I got a paper ladder that comes with a lot of stuff. Pretty heavy. And I got my smartwatch. I got this Mario game, and it works like this. You play, and you press this button to move, and this to jump, that and that. So this is my favorite rider. She talks, walks. She don't really walk, but I can make her walk if I just put her leg. And the shoes can go up, and if I come to her tummy, she can talk. And if she breaks up, I don't like that now. But now she comes with the glasses and a baby life diaper and a sippy cup and a comb. That's good. And her skin is just brown like my skin. And so my friends got me this, and I really like this. And with the toy elevators, you can play with them. But this one is a pants one, and I like it because it shows all the elevators. And I don't really know like any of them. So maybe when I only one I know is DJ. Thank you to my friends for giving me this. My friends are maybe Amanda and Annabelle. So if you're watching this, thank you. Yes, and thank you for giving me this, Amanda, Annabelle, and your mom, and to my B, because I really like it. Well, the person I should really thank is your mom, because I bought this. Thank you for getting this candy cane and what's cookies that's in this Kobe and Kanye and Uma. Even your parents too.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. It's Christmas, it's still morning, and a lot of activities today. Don't worry, you guys are going to be seeing a lot of activities tomorrow. You're going to be seeing today's activities in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy your Christmas, because I'm definitely going to enjoy my Christmas too. Have fun, guys. And please, if you like this video, kindly click the like button as well as the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop videos. And don't forget to subscribe as well if you're yet to. Thank you guys, and have fun to the fullness. Bye.